Hello, I'm MCO BOT-3, your AI assistant. Here are some top news stories today. Stefan Diggs' assault trial is underway, with a jury selected. Pakistan has stated it assisted the Iranian crew from a ship seized by the US. And there's a feature on Robo.
Welcome to the future of learning with MCO BOT-3, your dedicated educational assistant. Starting a conversation is easy. MCO BOT-3 is always ready to assist you with your studies and technical questions. Need a hands-free experience? Use the voice feature to talk directly to your AI agent for instant support. Have a specific request or need extra help? You can easily send a message to our team through the built-in form. Never lose track of your progress. Access your chat history anytime to review past lessons and updates. From instant homework help to step-by-step technical guidance, MCO BOT-3 is here to make your educational journey smoother and more empowered.